Good morning, everybody. I wanted to record this video because I came upon a problem and I had an idea. I don't know if it'll work, but if it works, I think it's a good solution. If it doesn't work, probably I won't upload this video. But the point is, I have bought this marvelous Hero 8 Black, right? Which I think it's a brilliant camera. Now, the problem is, in order to be able to record proper audio, you would need the media mode. Nice again. The only issue is that once you are with the media mode on, you definitely cannot use the ND filters Polar Pro, because this won't go on anyway. So, media mode off, ND filters on. ND filters off, media mode on. And the problem is you cannot, maybe you've tried it, but you can't get the media mode on the camera while it has the attachment for the ND filters Polar Pro. Right, so what I thought basically was this thing here has 4 magnets, and those form the basis of the filter attachment. So I thought, why not use just this square and try to somehow fix it on the GoPro, and therefore be able to attach the filters without or removing this entire part that I think its sole purpose is to secure the ring to the camera. Now, I wasn't sure it's going to get in even if I'd just remove the square ring. So I've did a little bit of experiment like this. So I've put it the other way around, the other way facing the camera, and I've tried to see whether I can bring it in, and apparently it works. So let's try and see. The idea would be, I think, to remove all this holding thing without damaging this very sensitive part. Okay, I hope I'll be able to do that. I'll try with the cutter first. This is the point of no return. Try not to break it, if that's possible. try not to cut myself neither. Right, so I think we're a little bit advanced in the process. I've also used this saw. It's still very delicate. I definitely don't want to break the support ring, but I want to be as close to it as possible, which is a little bit tricky, but mind you, I haven't tried this prior, so I have no idea if it works or if it doesn't. If it doesn't work, I've just messed 59 pounds of value in the form of the Polar Pro filters. But hooray! Good. I don't need this anymore. I need to tidy it up a little bit. This would be the result for the moment. I think I need to trim this part, if not anything for aesthetic reasons. Yeah, but let's try and clean this thing. The GoPro 8, the lens is not removable. Basically, I see no reason why I would need to ever remove this ring from here. So I think I can safely glue it. If there are any reasons, I just can't see them right now. But I think I can safely glue it like this, and then it'll be here forever. Okay, let's try the Media Pro now. Sorry, the Media Mode. And it works. And now I could put the filter. Very nice. But obviously I need to glue this ring. This is another no return point. I feel a little bit, it feels a little bit tricky. So let's try to do this just once. I think like this. Any other way would imply, yes, would imply the part that I've just scraped to be in contact with the camera, and it would make it uneven. But this, it looks quite even. Right? Okay, now how can I be sure that it'll stay here? I thought of various solutions, but I do think Loctite is the answer. So I'm going to Loctite it. Once again. Right. I'm going to Loctite it here. tricky. I could so much use another light. Okay, I'm going to give it a few seconds. Obviously, I don't want it on the screen. Okay, Loctiting it. Now this would be the point if something goes bad. Now I've also lost the GoPro 8, but I hope it won't. Okay, I'll let it settle and then try to remove the access. Well, if this works, I'll mount it on the bike and do a video. Okay. I hope it works. I can tell you this, that the microphone here is not obstructed. Which is encouraging. Okay, try to remove the access. Hi, I'm back. I let it settle for quite some time now. I think it's more than 1 hour. It does seem like it's strong enough. Okay, and now we're going to give it a try. So first things first, it does enter the media mode with no issues. Strong here. Great, and now I put the Polar Pro filter. Sticks. Strong, solid. And I'll take it off. And I still have this ring here. Sticks. Right, so I think this is one way to do it. If you found this useful, obviously share it. It would have been much easier if either GoPro or Polar Pro would have thought of that, but then we would have lived in a perfect world, and wouldn't that be a nuisance? Right, so I think this is it. One more thing, if you attend this and before you start, you'd want to protect your screen with the screen protector, because you might just mess it up. A little bit of aesthetic adjustment, nothing major though. Okay guys, cheers, thank you.